usually see a pretty big increase in plants while they're here at the Eelgrass Spa. So my name is Amy Bordy. I work at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory's Marine Science Lab, located here in Sequim, Washington. I'm a senior research scientist. I've been working with eelgrass for about 20 years. Over the past 50 to 100 years, as development has increased, eelgrass has declined. There's an effort underway currently with the state to restore 20% more eelgrass by 2020. So we are trying to help meet that goal. Eelgrass is a native submerged aquatic community that exists throughout the world. It's a very important nursery habitat for crab, salmon, herring, all sorts of young organisms. It really isn't anything else that provides that same kind of habitat as eelgrass does. We're harvesting the eelgrass from our tanks, some of the eelgrass. We're bundling it in bundles of 4 shoots per bundle, and we put those together in little packages for the divers. We transport the eelgrass in coolers to Bainbridge Island every day, give the eelgrass to the divers, and then they can take it directly underwater and plant the bundles, bundles of 4 shoots throughout the site. So it's kind of like gardening. Restoration in general is a very positive thing. It feels good to be a part of something that's going to be beneficial for the environment. So anytime we can give back like that, it's a really good thing. It's a good feeling. And for me, I love working outside, so that's another big bonus.